Hello everyone, welcome back to another interesting Nykaa review, and this time they killed it with the launch because it was something out of the box, something which is not seen in India so far, and I was quite excited for this one because I was like, I need this in my life. So this is the Nykaa Wing in a pink pen eyeliner. Oh my god, when the day it was launched, I was like, I just need to order it, and I just ordered it. The day it was launched, it had flat 10%. As you know, Nykaa do this, so this is not something new, and I have talked about this in depth, that just don't buy the product because it is in 10% discount. If you really need the product, then only put your money on that product, because at times it happens that we end up buying so much that we don't even use it, we don't need it, we just bought it because it was launched. How the outer box of the eyeliner pen looks like. Quite good packaging. I really like the theme going around in the box. It's quite classy, and then a basic detail will be mentioned behind the box, and pricing, the weight, it's paraben free, it's cruelty free. All you know about Nykaa is a cruelty free brand. So all the basic details, more information is on the dabba. So after knowing that it is going to expire on so and so date, and if you can remember, you throw the dabba. So let's get the dabba out and let's talk about the pen in person. So this is the pen. Amazing packaging. I absolutely loved it. And then on both the sides you will get the liners. The one side is the stamp side and the next side is the eyeliner, and the caps are made accordingly. So just don't remove the eyeliner cap and start fitting your stamp side on the eyeliner cap, or else you will damage the stamp side. That I realized when I started using it, and I realized, okay, the caps are made according to the tips. Moving on, you get 2.5 grams of product and you pay 550 rupees. It's not an expensive deal, it's an inexpensive deal. Let's get the price out of the way. It's not expensive. All the details will be mentioned here behind the pen also, and the before and manufacturing is also mentioned. So I'm really happy that they did this on the product itself. This really makes life easier, because eye products you need to check on if it is expiring or if it is going to stay for so much duration. Moving on to some Nykaa talks. Now what Nykaa has to say about it. They say, never ask a woman with winged eyeliner why she's late. But with Nykaa's Wing in a Blink waterproof eyeliner pen, you don't have to worry about that anymore. This innovative liner has a tip eyeliner pen at one end and a beautiful wing shaped stamp at the other that will help you create crisp, even winged eyeliner in seconds. The intense black transfer resistant formula locks in place for flawless all-day budge proof waterproof wear. Achieving the perfect wing eyeliner has never been easier. So after taking all the gyan from Nykaa, let's move on to the application part. The application is not the easiest part here because it takes a lot of time initially when you buy this pen, because you are not used to this kind of a concept. It looks easy. Anything which looks easy, it's more tricky because you're stamping the wing, and once you stamp it on your eye look, you cannot rub it off. So you have to be very sure where you're putting it. And if you have hooded eyes, you have to work very slowly. If you have very clear, nice eyelids, not any hoodiness, then you can just wing it in a second. But if you have eyes like me which are hooded, you have to be very careful stamping it. Once you stamp it, the second job is the liner part, which is much easier. But I still feel very uncomfortable with the liner when I'm working because it is fat and I'm used to those thin eyeliners. So you have to just practice with the liner and you will achieve your amazing wing. This eye application was much faster than this one. This one I did off camera because I knew I'm going to mess this around, because after doing a full eye makeup you can go wrong and you need a little close up. So I went very close to my mirror and then winged it out because I have hooded eyes. I cannot just put a stamp and fill in my liner. So it's not that easy. Do I really like the product? Yes, because I'm a person who doesn't go for wing liners. Firstly, because they don't look too good on me, and for hooded eyes, this wing liner still I feel is a little shorter. So you have to basically put the stamp a little far away from your eyelids and then drag it down with the liner. So that's the trick. I have learned it with my eyes. Waterproof? Yes, it is waterproof. It is not just going to come out easily. It is smudge proof and the stamp is really good. If you end up putting the stamp while aside in a wrong cap, you will damage the stamp. So know which cap you're putting where, or else things can go wrong here. All in all, I really like the packaging, the concept, and we really needed something like this because there are many who wants to put a wing liner but we are not able to, or for that matter I can put it, it's just that this side of the eye gets more trickier. But by getting this, it gets so easy, so flawless, and now I'm going to rock all my eye looks. So yeah, all in all, price point, application, quality, theme, packaging, everything is on point, 10 on 10. I don't have any negatives to talk about it, but it's just that I hope they get more shades in it, because if it has a name, then they should get more shades. I'm just looking for more shades. All in all, 100 on 100, fully approved by Bronzing Geek. If you're looking forward to grab one, link will be in my description. You can grab one, but this is a must-have. So I hope you loved watching this interesting mini review. We'll be back soon with some more reviews on my channel, some more interesting looks. Till then, you take care, I take care. Don't leave before subscribing and following me on my Instagram @BronzingGeek. Till then, take care and bye-bye.